The Karma window is also available from Zen and would be at the best budget price. However, we're not sacrificing any quality here. The windows are only available in cream white, and the same thing in that they can easily open, easily raise, and easily tilt in for easy cleaning. There's a slightly different look though to the product. As you can see, there are contour lines in it to give it a nice finished look. The exterior is a step bevel exterior, so it just gives it a nice pretty look. And the lock is very attractive and ergonomic, allowing you to easily lock the window closed. If you go wider in windows, you will always get 2 locks. In addition, the main frames are fusion welded as well as the sash frame. There is no foam fill in this window. However, you still get the heavy-duty bulb seal, so you got a nice tight finish to block air off. Like all the other windows, the Karma window carries a lifetime warranty and lifetime glass breakage to not only the original owner, but also to the transfer of the next owner of the home.